Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's on every online shopper's mind: how to lower those pesky shipping costs on Panda Buy in 2025. If you're ordering from overseas and feeling the pinch of high fees, you're in the right place. Panda Buy is awesome for snagging deals on everything from clothes to gadgets, but shipping can eat into your savings. Let's break this down step by step so you can start saving right away. First off, one of the easiest ways to cut costs is by consolidating your shipments. Instead of ordering multiple times, bundle your items into one big haul. This reduces the number of packages and often qualifies you for discounted rates. Panda Buy's warehouse system makes this super straightforward. Just add items to your cart and ship them together. Next, pay attention to shipping methods. In 2025, Panda Buy has upgraded options like economy shipping, which is slower but way cheaper. If you're not in a rush, this could save you up to 50% compared to express services. Always check the estimated delivery times and weigh them against your needs. Another smart move is to optimize your package weight. Lighter packages mean lower costs, so choose items wisely and avoid unnecessary extras. Pro tip: use Panda Buy's bulk buying feature to get discounts on larger orders, which can offset shipping fees entirely. Don't forget about promo codes and deals. By 2025, Panda Buy will have more partnerships, so keep an eye on their app for flash sales, coupon codes, or cashback offers. Subscribing to their newsletter or following them on social media can give you early access to these perks. Lastly, track your orders and learn from past purchases. Analyze what drove up costs before and adjust accordingly. For example, combining orders from the same seller can sometimes unlock free shipping thresholds. There you have it. Simple strategies to lower your shipping costs on Panda Buy in 2025. Implementing just a couple of these could save you a ton of money. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your own hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.